Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about if you're trying to download any kind of application from the Play Store on your Android mobile. You are facing the error you can see appears on screen. Here, try to download any kind of application and you can see this install on more devices. So why this error showing on your Play Store? So guys, this means that by selecting here, you can install these app from here on these devices. So how can I fix this problem? So keep watching this video until then. First of all, open Play Store and click on profile icon. Now guys, click on Google account and guys, here is new interface of Google. So simply find out security. Here is click on security and now guys scroll down and find out login devices. Here you can do your devices. Guys, this my Google account has been logging in all these devices. So guys, that why the error is showing on the Play Store. So click on devices and guys sign out your Google account from all these devices step by step. So guys, select the device which you want to sign out your Google account. So guys, when you soon you are sign out from here, that your device will not show up there again. In this way, sign out your account from all your devices step by step. Guys, when you sign out of your account from the all devices, the arrow will not show again on the Play Store. So you can solve your Play Store error by this method. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.